Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I got here the Honda Pioneer 520 and we're going to install the rear bumper. Let's do it. If you find this one useful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. And if you're interested in any of the gear I use, check out the links in the description below. The first thing I'm going to do is remove these plastic panels off of both sides. They have 3 Allen key screws and 8 plastic trim clips. Next, I'm going to use my Phillips and remove both the taillights. Now that I got the tail lights unscrewed, I'm going to unplug them and then I'm going to remove the plastic trim clips holding their brackets in place. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is install our rear bracket here. If your unit still has the reflector on it, just remove the 6mm bolt right here and 6mm bolt right here and drop off the reflector bracket. This new rear bracket replaces our stock hinge here. Just slide it out and slide the new one in. Once you have the bracket in place, put a 6mm bolt through each hole and tighten them in. Okay, now that my brackets are in place and tightened up, I can lift the bumper up and throw some bolts into it. Okay, last but not least, the most important part, we need to install the reflectors. Okay, now that our bumper's mounted, the last thing that's left to do is put our plastic panels back on. We're going to start with our tail light brackets, our tail lights, and then the panel. With the plastic panels back on, the last thing there is to do is put the end caps in the bumper. If you found this one useful, hit that subscribe button and check out my playlist on the Honda 520. Also, do me a big favor and check out the affiliate links in the description below. All profits go back into the channel. Thank you. This has been my rear bumper install on the Honda Pioneer 520. Stay tuned for the next one.